good morning. I'm inside our tent box. So outside it's so rainy. I'm trying to fix our things because we won't stay here para antayin yung paghupa ng ulan. We need to move para dun sa unahan sunny day. This is our tent. And then trying to fix my stuff. Ayan, malaki naman siya. Let's have a quick video. My husband is doing fishing again, rain or shine. Kailang katapos ang ulan. Nakakuha siya ng mackerel dito, ulam namin kanina. Bakit gusto mo pang mamasul bago umalis? Basta sa ulan. Good job kayo ka. Anong nilabay kanina?
Whale or dolphin.
Oo, ako tutulog-tulog lang sa tent. Okay, we spend the night here. Another adventure pa more. So walang tigil na ulan. So we need to move. Walang pag-asang iinit dito. Let's go na to Tromso directly.
Kailangan buhay campers.
Yeah, kailangan flexible. Good job, eh? Ako tulog lang. So we didn't go to Narvik. We stayed here and then go directly to Tromso. It's already 1 week. Look at that. It's cloudy. Hindi na nakikita yung mountain. So let's go. It's our 7 days. Exactly 1 week traveling, camping and on the road. And it's already 1:57 in the afternoon in Norway. This is about 6.4 kilometers. Napakataas na tunnel to. So stop muna tayo dito. Baka meron siyang gagawin. Fixing a bit. There is always stopover. Just in case may mga emergency telephone. Yan, lalabas na tayo and it's still raining. Where's the name of the tunnel? Let's see. Sana makuna natin. Wala siya. So we parked here, we slept there, and then the name of the tunnel is Sordas Tunnelin. Yan, ulan-ulan po sa labas, so we cannot see the real view, but anyway, it's raining, cloudy. Ayun, there are snow still. May mga falls dyan, oo. Kitang-kita, oh. Wow. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda ng view. Asala. Heading to Tromso, it's about 342 kilometers. Tingnan natin, naabutin natin ngayong oras. The weather is still rainy. And stop over muna tayo dito. There's a good sea view. So let's find something here. Maybe they have some shells. Ayan, naka-raincoat po tayo. Ready? Kind of shell. Oh, baka may laman mga ganito na. Ayan. Full of nature talaga. Maybe we will find something interesting or some seafoods to cook and eat. Gusto ko sana ng mga shells at yung mga suso. Because last time we found a cooked shell in seashore. Merong isang beach doon na nakakain kami ng suso. Oh, niluto. Okay. Free na. Nice. Sadly, we cannot swim here because it's raining and of course it's still cold. Ready naman ang ating raincoat.
Scallops ba?
Scallops.
Oh,
Naku ba ito ng mga shell, no? So wala pa tayong nakuha, guys. So let's move.
Supa, butangan og kuan cheddar.
Wala na siya. Different weather. Mestizo. So, alis na tayo, guys. Sa next, na lang, stopover, Bakameron. Another bridge, 1.4 kilometers. Dadanan man tayo sa bridge. Dami-daming bridge. Diyan na naman na side. And it's already 4 in the afternoon. And we're driving for about 3 hours. Lopo, merong mga bikers here. Swerte na tayo kasi meron tayong tent box. Pero yun yung trip nila. This side, merong mga ano yan? I think rent house. Oh, mga parking area. Oh. Laag-laag. Sleeping area. And restaurants. If you wanna stay there. And then here. 6:38 na po ng gabi. Malapit na tayo. Malapit na. Ang bundok. Ang bundok. Look at the clouds. It looked like snow. Pero clouds yan. They're covering the mountains. Look at that. Ito na yung tunnel. 2.7 kilometers. There's toll fee here. We are entering Tromsø. We're here in this tunnel. This one. Here. Raya Tunnelin. Ayan, labas na tayo. We are heading to the other part of the Tromsø. Bali dito yung Tromsø city. Yan. But we will just stay somewhere here. This is part of Tromsø. Somewhere here. Diyan. So this time, we will book a hotel para makapagpahinga ng bonggang-bongga and then maka-refresh here. Booking.com. Gaving ulan. 9 hours drive. 8 hours. So, punta tayo din sa reception. So, ito yung bahay natin. Ayan. See house 2. Okay. It's big one. Park muna tayo. We need a real indoor house. Sorry. Mali pala. Iba pala. This one pala, SFA. I hope this one. Small room lang siya. Okay? Nice. Get inside na. Okay. Oops. Very nice. Yan ko nga. Open. At least. Okay. Okay. Ulitin ang video kay first thing. Ayan. Okay. Tingnan natin. At least meron tayong... Bakit malamig ba ang ano? Kailangan mo panda rin yung heater dyan. Ayan, we have a kitchen. Luto tayo ng fish dito. Oh, may oven, oh. At least may mga baso. May mga gamit. Then, let's go to the bathroom. Oh, bathroom. Hello.
Na-grill ka ba?
Mag-grill ta. Social ang light. Oh, nice bathroom. Yan. Hair dryer. Okay, not bad. Okay na to for one night. And then we are allowed to do fishing again in front. Ayan. Park muna tayo dyan. Oh, fishing na po ka dong. Yan pala, pwede palang magpahayag. Dito kami nag-spend ng night. And they have a nice hotel. It's a hotel.
Seafront.
The seafront. And then, look at that. Pag-gising mo, yan yung bubungad sa'yo. At least naka-rest tayo from
Seafront.
that one. Diba? Nice. Libot-libot muna tayo. And then we need to find
Park.
another spot. Steam pier. Yan. So you have ideas. Saan kayo magbubuk ng matutulugan. It's too cold in Tromso. So we need a proper area to sleep. Akad to?
Yeah, fishing. So, ayan lang ako sinahalibot.
Okay, go. The good thing in this part is you can do fishing for free. And hayaan mo siyang mag-fishing kasi nakatulog siya ng bonggang-bongga today. Let him. Baka meron siyang makuhang halibut. It's free fishing here. Nakuha ba? Natin siya. And there's island also. Enjoy fishing!